Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download CapCut for Windows. So in here, what you need to do is open your browser and then just type in or search for CapCut. Click on enter and go to the CapCut.com. So click on this and you'll be in CapCut website. And here you can see CapCut is available on online, so you can use it on the browser or you can just download Windows. So if you want to, you can just click on download for Windows. After that, so this is the guidance on how you can download it, and I'm going to click on start download and just wait. So if you are confused on how you can install the CapCut on your computer, you can go with this guidance. So here I'm going to find the CapCut that I downloaded on the file explorer programs. Okay, so this one, the CapCut has been installed on my, sorry, I've been downloaded. And to install, you can just double click and here click on yes. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.